Hi children, hope all are keeping fine and I pray for the same. In this new academic year, with the online education system, we have already got 2 weeks for English and we could complete 2 chapters from your literature book. That is your English paper 2, literature. You have one more paper, that is your grammar, and it is known as English language, English paper 1. And this year you have got this book, Basic English Grammar and Composition by Good Luck Publishers. And of course, this is a very good book to help you improve your grammar. But we will not be following the same order of the book, but rather we will be concentrating the board exam question paper pattern. Because next year onwards, you have to appear for the annual exam conducted by ICSE board itself. It is a practice to make you prepare for the real class 10 board exam. And according to ICSE syllabus, English is very important. You know how the plus 2 percentage is calculated this year? English plus best 3 subjects. That mark only calculated as their percentage. And by God's grace, our first plus 2 batch, all of them, 8 of them, and our class 10 children, all of them scored high mark in English, and we are very happy about that. You also, all of you are able to score high mark in English, and it is easy also. Just we have to be careful. We have to follow the instructions given by the ICSE board accordingly. Then it will be easy for you also. Today I will be telling you how we have to go about this, what all things we have to study, how to prepare for your exams, how to score good mark. That and all I will tell you time by time. So this is the latest question paper, 2020 February. Our class 10 children wrote this board exam and class 9 children wrote this exam question paper. And for so many years the pattern is same. This year they have made a little change, that they have included one more question. So your first question is always composition writing or essay writing, and this year onwards it is a 20 mark question. Till the previous year it was a 25 mark question, but this year, last year onwards it is 20 mark question. So that is what today I want to discuss with you about essay writing.
So first of all, to give you an idea about what type of questions you are getting for your composition writing, let me read out the essay questions came for this 2020 class 10 board exam. There are 5 options A, B, C, D and E, and you have to select only one. First, you listen to me, the 5 questions, different questions, and afterwards let us discuss about what to select, how to write, what all things you have to avoid, what all things we have to be very careful while writing an essay. All those things afterwards we will discuss. So first you listen to me, the 5 different questions. Number A, write an original short story entitled The Secret. Number B, a family without pets is an incomplete family. Express your views either for or against this statement. Number C, which do you prefer, morning, afternoon, evening or night? Describe your favorite time of the day. What are the sights, sounds, smells and feelings that you associate with your favorite time of the day? Why do you like this part of the day better than the others? Number D, have you ever said or done something that changed the life of another person? Give an account of your words or actions that led to this change and describe how the experience made you feel. So number E, the last one will be a picture composition. Every year the question will be same, only the picture will be different. So the question is, study the picture given below. Write a story or a description or an account of what it suggests to you. Your composition may be about the subject of the picture, or you may take suggestions from it. However, there must be a clear connection between the picture and your composition. And this year they got this picture. Okay. Now, to make you understand the similarity in the pattern of essay questions, I will read out for you from one more question paper. That is 2020 Class 9 Annual Exam conducted by ICSE Board. Here also 5 options are there. The same pattern, same way it is asked, only the topics are different. Number A, write an original short story that begins with the words, "He never thought." Number B, technology has destroyed childhood. Express your views either for or against this statement. Number C, a kind action can go a long way. Narrate an incident from your own experience when someone was kind to you at a time when you were feeling very depressed. Give details of the kind action and say how this caused a change in you. Number D, describe the sights and sounds of your school playground during the break time. How does this change once the school bell is rung? Number E, picture composition. Same question. Study the picture given below. Write a short story or a description or an account of what suggests to you. Your composition may be about the subject of the picture, or you may take suggestions from it. However, there must be a clear connection between the picture and your composition. And the picture they got is this.
Now you may be thinking that all these questions are so easy, nothing to study at all for this. No prior preparation is needed for this. All these questions are like personal type, and we know these things and we can write spontaneously in our own words and we will get full mark. No. You can write in your own words. That is what you are supposed to do spontaneously. But no one may get full mark. At least out of this 20 mark, if you want to score above 10 or 12, you have to be careful in a lot of things. Many of you are having the problem of making a lot of mistakes while you are writing in your own words. Grammatical errors, spelling mistake, punctuation mistake, or mixing capital letter and small letter, or not starting a sentence with capital letter and not ending the sentence with full stop. Like that, lot of errors, and you never mind it. But each error matters a lot. Especially grammatical errors. Each error will cause you lose half mark each. Then imagine if you have written 3 pages or 2 pages of essay and you have made 40 errors, then there will not be any mark remaining for you. Understood? That is why in my previous video I have already given you some instructions regarding how to improve your English by constant practice. Listening to good English, reading a lot, practice speaking and writing correct English. Then automatically your language will improve and you will be able to write correct sentences and you can score higher marks in your exams. And it will be such a benefit for you. Okay. So there are a lot of different points to discuss about how to write a good essay. But today this much is enough. In the coming sessions we will be discussing all those things. And today what you have to do as your homework is what you understood from today's class about essay writing. That you have to write in your own words and send to me as a paragraph. Okay? Okay then. See you in the coming sessions. See you tomorrow. Bye.